Traders and investors are getting a read on inflation today with CPI coming out. Joe Tigay of Equity Armor Investments is here to help. Joe, inflation had been cooling off going into today. What's your expectation for the market and the Fed?
Yeah, the market is ahead of the Fed, and sometimes the Fed does cave, but sometimes the Fed is stubborn, and we'll have to wait and see how the market responds to this really interesting data.
Is the bond market signaling that there is a recession ahead, and do you believe it?
Yeah, so very, very inverted yield curve that often results in a recession. Historically, that's been true, so I certainly believe it, and I'm watching out for that. The market's been very resilient. I'll be watching the jobs market to give me a leading indicator that we are in any recession. We really haven't seen that yet from any jobs data. So it's interesting to see. You expect the higher interest rates to slowly work its way through the system, get some demand destruction, starting with real estate, of course, and eventually lead into a recession. We haven't seen any signs of that yet, but sometimes it takes a while, as much as 3 quarters to a year before that really plays out.
Joe, how would you be trading this market?
Yeah, very, very cautious on the market. Certainly, 2022 was a very bad year. We're still in that bear market mode. And for me, yes, the market so far this year has been off to a good start. Just because we're green in 2023 doesn't mean that bear market is necessarily over. We still have these declining 200-day moving averages. So we're still below the long-term trend, which is still going lower. So I need to see the market above those averages. I need to see the market consolidate, build some stability here before I have any real confidence to the long side for the bullish.
Thank you, Joe.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.